that last set, that last picture, that last slide had a lot going on with it. So let's start from not necessarily the beginning, but let's set a platform. Let's set an understanding that this is the chasm. This is the dotted line area. This is an Engineering 145 Technology Entrepreneurship Stanford Engineering class, hashtag ENGR 145. So you've got a dotted line, and to the left of the chasm is you have early adopters and technology enthusiasts. To the right you have Main Street, and startups die and they get given up on in the middle part, the chasm, where there's not enough traction, there's not enough adoption, there's not enough distribution. Any of these things sound familiar as far as common things that kill a startup? Lack of distribution, lack of adoption, lack of money, lack of traction. So all these things can be solved using this super model of entrepreneurship, super entrepreneurship model. And I know the super douchey super model who's mentoring you on Stanford Engineering, when you in fact go to a lesser school like Harvard or an Ivy. Super entrepreneurship model is the practice of crossing the chasm from the right, using a larger chasm that encapsulates a larger crossing the chasm that helps you get momentum by promoting existing products that tie into your product. And that's why the last graph, if you want to rewind that video, or actually I'm going to overlay this video too, which is, what Uber cab is this the Uber technologies of? What Uber cab is this the Uber technologies of? That's supposed to be a wink wink, which I will show you, which is what Altair Basic is this the Microsoft of? What Altair Basic is this the Microsoft of? Because what Uber cab is this the Uber technologies of shows you that you can cross the chasm by doing something innovative, by actually doing something old. That sounds oxymoronic, but I will lay out specific steps slide by slide. So this is exactly how to cross the innovation chasm, parentheses, from the right. Cross the Chasm is Jeffrey Moore. He wrote that book in 1991. That is this graph. The next slides will explain what the super entrepreneurship model is, frame by frame, for your effort to edit CS183E.